Hi guys, I'm here with a new video, and this time it's not a dance or a challenge video. This is about reacting to my old Facebook photos, and it's truly embarrassing, but I wanted to do it so that you get to know me a little bit more, like about my childhood and my teenage days, and I just share a little bit of stories here and there. So if you are interested, please first do like, share and subscribe, and do watch this video. Now let's get started. Now the very first picture which I'm going to insert here, this was the days when tattoos were very in, but obviously we were not allowed to get tattoos and everything. So every day I used to just take a pen, normal pen, even a plain black marker pen, and then I used to search images on websites and on Google and everything, and like on people also, like what cool, interesting tattoos they have done, and then I used to draw it. Like I used to draw it on my hand. Every day there used to be a new tattoo here, and I was a fan of tattooing. And then I used to upload these pictures on Facebook, like and people used to like, oh, this is your new tattoo. I'm like, no, it's not a permanent tattoo. And I used to love doing those things. So just random things which I used to keep on doing, so that to show my creative side. And yeah, this was one of them, and it has it has written in cursive writing like "Let It Be," and I have made this is obviously a Google inspired picture. And yeah, I like it, but now I'm very embarrassed about my drawing. Insert here. Now it was my mom's dream to like see me in this long straight hair. Every time she was behind me, like every time there was a family function or something, she was like, oh, get your hair straightened, because I had really curly hairs. Like this are still wavy, but in childhood I had a lot of curly hairs. Like I used to always have bob cut. And yeah, so she was always behind me to get straight hair. Once she also took me to the parlor, and as soon as she put that steaming iron on my hair, I started crying and I could just not take it, so I just ran out of the parlor. And yeah, ever since then I've always wanted, even I wanted to get straight hairs. So it was my cousin's wedding, and that's why I got straightening done, and I really liked how it turned out on me. I really started loving straight hair, but the aftermath of this was crazy. Like I started getting those baby hair again, and then it didn't look very nice, and then I went for short hair, and now I'm in love with short hair. I cannot even imagine going back to those long straight hairs. I cannot just manage it. So yeah, these were the days, and I really love this picture. I like the whole straight hair look on me. Third picture. Now this is quite embarrassing. Like this is my college. This is like my junior college days, and we had nothing to do. Obviously, we would never attend classes, and this was just a lot together. And yeah, so what we used to do, like we had nothing to do. Obviously, in college we used to bunk colleges and everything. So half of my day used to go in like canteens, and then suddenly we used to be like, oh, Marine Drive jate hai. And this is the picture of Palladium. So we used to just go there randomly, do nothing, go to Hamleys, like just click pictures with teddy bears, fancy teddy bears, and play all those games for free. And then we go to McD, eat, and then go home. So yeah, those were the days when we had nothing to do at all and just enjoy our life. And yeah, now this picture which I'm just going to insert has to be one of my favorite girls' night out. This was a sudden random 31st night which we had planned, and as you can see, we were like 4-5 girls. We had just got together. We had no plans whatsoever. We just got to my friend's place, and we were like, let's just do a girls' night out. And as you can see, that time we had an obsession with One Direction. We were all crazy about One Direction, and we were just non-stop clicking pictures. We were dancing. We were doing all random shit that day, and that was one of the most epic 31st we have spent. And the next day we just went on the terrace and enjoyed the sunrise and clicked some pictures here and there. You can see we had a cake also. We cut because it was 31st, and yeah, it was quite fun. We had a lot of fun that day. The next picture is this one, and she's my niece, and I had just gone to my cousin's place. Like my bhabhi, she was just going to deliver a baby, and me and my other cousin, we had just gone there to help her out, and we stayed there for 1 month, literally 1 month in another city in other person's place, but that was the longest I've ever been to anyone's house. But that was one fun experience. I enjoyed my stay so much there, and now I miss Surat so much. Yeah, and I miss my niece also. Now she's grown up to be like this much, and she like talks a lot. She's gone on leave, thankfully, and she sleeps a lot like me. And yeah, I'm also flaunting my straight hair here, and you can see those baby hair. Like yeah, that was the reason I just got short hair. And yeah, you can look at me. I do look a little bit embarrassing, but I like the picture. I think the picture is very cute. Here comes the most cringiest picture. Oh my god, look at me and Kinjal. You can see us in the present videos, and you can see how much we have grown. This is like a 2015 picture, and so we used to study together. Like we used to study CS together, and we had our classes in Dadar. And we used to just go munch in some random places which were like kind of famous, and we used to just try new delicacies there. And this is the place Oven Fresh, as you can see it in the caption. And yeah, just like that, we used to just go to random places to eat. And from there only our friendship has blossomed, you can see. And you can see after 5 years also we are still friends. Like none of us cleared the course, but we did find a very good friendship. And yeah, we look so bachas no in this, but this was 5 years ago, so you can understand. Here comes the most cringiest picture on internet. Trust me guys, this is so embarrassing. Oh my god, look at us. Look at the editing. First of all, let's look at the editing. What have I done? Why have I written disco when I'm actually standing in a classroom? Like I don't know. Okay, so just to give you a context, I used to study in Hinduja College, and we were a part of Rotaract Club, and our college had some college fest going on, and we were just a part of the dancing. We were selected to just do a dance performance. And I remember that day, I think someone um, from Dharmesh's group had come to judge the dance event or something like that. And so we had practiced a lot, and we had done like a remix of 3 to 4 songs. And on stage we all went like, hey, why one person was here, one person was there. And it was all a mess, and we were so embarrassed. Like till now we don't have the video of that dance performance, so that otherwise I would have inserted it, so sure. But so guys, this was the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you got to know me a little bit more. And do not follow me on Facebook, but do follow me on Instagram, because I'm super active there. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and hit that bell icon. And I'll see you next time. Bye.